This video is to show you how to clean your MacBook Pro or any laptop for that matter. These things, we use them a lot. They get fingerprints all over them. They can sometimes get gunk and food on it, and we got to get that cleaned up, get it looking good. I do have this tool that I picked up from Amazon. It was like, I want to say it was like $8. I'll put a link to the description below. It's great. It has this brush that pops up here. If I flip the top here, has another smaller brush in here, a thing for your phone to actually clean like lenses and stuff like that. Has this little guy to get into small places to get stuff off. It's a pretty cool little tool, comes in handy keeping these computers clean. So I'm gonna flip this thing up, and first thing I notice is my keyboard is definitely dusty and dirty. I'm gonna use this brush here. I don't have a brush, a soft towel. You just make sure it's not wet. You don't want to do that. Kind of get down into those nooks and crannies of it and brush out anything that may have gotten in there. You can even do the same thing to your screen. Just get the dust off of it. I think I got it looking pretty good now. The next thing I like to use are these fantastic electronic wipes made by Windex. It's going to get your screen looking good, get all the fingerprints off of it. You can actually use it on your keyboard, the whole computer. Really polish it up and get it looking good and clean. So I'm just going to grab one of these out of here, just like so. And we're going to take it first to the screen, just like that. And then take it down here to the keyboard itself. Lots of gunk on there. Old computer. All my kids use it. There we go. I can even take it here onto this side and do the same thing, kind of polish the top of it and get this thing looking nice again. It's that easy. I'll put a link to the wipes and the tool that I was using to get this thing clean down here in the description. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.